Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. 1,000 subscribers was reached, and I promised to do a competition to win either a set of overalls or £30, or the equivalent currency, of vouchers to a car parts store of your choice. If you correctly subscribed and left a comment below on the previous video detailing a video you'd like to see come up next, then you'll have been automatically entered into this Wheel of Dreams. As it stands, over 50 of you did that correctly, and now it's the moment of truth. Good luck, everyone. I'm gonna go hit it. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Tension is real. And it is... Clueless MG Midget! So congratulations, Clueless MG Midget. You get the choice of the overalls or the vouchers. And let me know if you want a video dedicated to you and your MG. I think from memory it's a chap called Mark Finkel, and you do have a midget, I seem to recall. So yeah, let me know. As for the rest of you, there'll be more competitions as the channel grows, so please keep subscribing. I know I'm not as regular as other posters, but I put a lot of effort into the post-production on these things, and hopefully that comes across. Anyway, in the meantime, take care, lots of love,